Hello friends, welcome to the Tech with Soft. So yeah, as you know, right, we are covering core Java, advanced Java, everything, right, in this series. So actually, I'm making a video parallelly, right, for Java 8 features or microservices or Spring Boot or core Java. So I will request please watch accordingly, okay, whichever your preference. If you are following core Java, so I'm making that uploading that video parallelly. So as we know, right, we have playlist here, right? So we have a core Java playlist, Spring Boot playlist, right, and Java 8 features playlist. So please watch accordingly, right? So the video which I'm recording now, that is for the core Java learner who is starting from the basics. So the topic that I covered here, that was a arithmetic operation, right? Arithmetic operators, not arithmetic operator. That is yeah, arithmetic operator. I think that is the last topic, or you can watch it. Okay, whichever is there. So today I'm going to cover some advanced, new topic on it, right? So I'm starting with the conditional statement today. Okay, so what are the conditional statement? How does it work? That we are going to look. Okay, so before conditional statement, I have to make it like first let me create a new package. Okay, so that could be for basics only. Okay, so inside that I'm creating a new class, say like test. Okay, I'm making a one main method. So what I'm talking here, before starting the conditional statement, right, you should know something. So that is a today topic, to understand the conditional statement. So before understand conditional statement, we should know that relational operator. Okay, if you understand that, that will be easy to understand how the conditional statement work. So what are the relational operator? Relational operator we have like less than, okay, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, double equal to, and not equal to. These are the relational operator. First is the less than, second one is the greater than, right, then less than equal to, and then greater than equal to, and then double equal to, and then not equal to. What the result they do provide? They do provide result as a true or false, right? So the result of relational operator, the result of relational operator is true or false. What does it means? Let me do this. Okay, here I am writing a one variable int of x equal to 10 and y equal to say like 15, right? And here I am comparing this, x is greater than y. So here x is greater than y is a one operator, right? So it will return something. What it will return? That will return me a boolean value only, which will be either true or false. So here I will use boolean, say like result equal to. So that you have to understand here, what is a boolean? Boolean is something which will store either true or false. So all the relational operator that we are understanding, right, they will always return either true or false. So if condition will satisfy, will return true, otherwise it will return false. So like here, x greater than y, x is 10, y is 15. 10 is not greater than 15, so it will return me a false only here. So if I will display this, system.out.println, and I will display here suppose result, right? So what I will get, I will get false here, right? If I will write here x less than y, then what it will return? It will return me a true only. So always remember that all this operator, less than will check, less than, greater than is check, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, right? What does it means? Like for example, here I am writing x equal to 10 and y equal to 10. Suppose both are 10, right? And here I am writing x less than or equal to. That means anyone will satisfy. So here you can see that we have two things, either less than or equal to. So x is less than y, x is not less than y, x are equal to y, right? So that means second one will satisfy. So this time it will give me true only here. It will give me true only here. So that way you can check it is returning true or false. all the relational operator. Not equal to means if they are not equal, double equal to means both are equal. Like for example here, x double equal to y, then what happen? X is 10, y is 10. If I will make it suppose 11, that time this will return false to me. X double equal to, so there is a two operator that you have to understand. One is equal to and second one is a double equal to. This does compare the elements and this does use only for assign the values. So you can see here I am using equal. Equal is only assigning 10 into x, equal is assigning 11 into y, but here it is comparing both. So this double equal to does compare the value and equal is assign the values. So that are the difference between equal and double equal to operators, right? So remember that all the relational operator that is written either true or false. It could be any, less than, greater than, according to the situation they will work. Now what are the conditional statement that we are going to cover is, right? So first conditional statement we have if. First, why conditional statement is needed? So conditional statement is needed when we have a two choice or more than one choice, not two. Like if I have like more than one choice and want to execute any one of them. If you want to execute any one of them, then we have to use conditional statement. Okay, so here we are going to cover like if conditional statement, we have like else conditional statement, and we have like else if conditional statement. They all are covering kind of doing this more than one choice and want to execute any one of them. Like for example, as we know, right, if I'm going from one source to one destination, right, I have like suppose many ways, many path I have to pick any one of them. So depending on my choice, I can pick any one of them because I cannot travel or I cannot walk on all 10 different paths. Same thing is happening if I have multiple choices, right? I can't execute all the 10 choices at the same time because they do affect my result. So to make it in a better way, right, what do? We do make it conditional statement, right? So what could be the first condition? Let's say here I will give that, right? So I have to write a program, WAP may write a program, right? Write a program to calculate addition of suppose even number, or to perform addition of even number suppose. Now I have a choice. I have to perform addition of even number. That's it. Right? Or what could be the choice here? Write a program to find positive number. What does it means? I have many numbers. It could be a combination of positive or negative, right? But I want only positive numbers. So that could be the condition. So here we have to calculate addition of even number. Here we have to calculate like find the positive numbers, right? So that time conditional statement is required, because here we have all the scenario, right? Number could be 0, number could be negative, number could be positive, right? So we have to calculate everything, right? So what do we do here? Suppose I have x equal to 10 and y equal to 11, right? I have to find positive numbers. So what I will do here I will write one condition. If. What does it take if? If will take any condition, either any relational operator. So here we have to find the positive number, right? So positive number definition is what? The number which is greater than 0, right? The number which is greater than 0. That number is called positive number. So what I will do here, I have one number like x equal to 10. Forget about y, right? Then what I will do, x greater than 0. What does it return? It will return meaning either true or false. If it is true, then it will have a body. That is called body of if statement. Body of if statement. right? If x greater than 0, condition will satisfy, right? Then this body will execute. So body will start from the curly braces and close to the curly braces. Clear it? So if it is starting from the opening curly braces, closing from this braces, whatever is put it inside it, right? That is called body of the if statement, right? And if you will not write this, right? That is also one way that I will cover the scenario also. I mean, we can write if statement without curly braces also. That will also cover one scenario, right? So that time, what does it do? I will let you know later on. So right now, if you're writing if x greater than 0, right, then what happen? We will write the body of the content and it just perform that operation. Clear it? Okay. So now x greater than 0, then what I will display here? Number is positive, something like that. System.out.println, and here I will put number is positive. Okay, if x is greater than 0, that means number is positive, right? So let me run this and see here. So here you can see that number is positive like that, and it is giving me a false because I made a result also, right? So that is the result operation of it. So right now you can see here I am getting result, I am getting the positive number, both I am getting. But here if I will give here suppose minus 10, x is having a suppose minus 10. So this statement is execute or may not execute. This will execute only if this condition will satisfy. If this condition will not satisfy, then this will not execute. So this time if I am putting x equal to minus 10, then what happen? Minus 10 greater than 0, condition will be false. So this statement will not be executed. Right? You can see I am not getting number is positive because I have a minus 10. So this scenario also I have to cover, right? This scenario also I have to cover. If number is negative, it should give some message. It should give some message, right? Then only that program will be right. So I should know that what is the mistake I did it, right? So that I will cover into a else part. So there's a one more thing called else. So in else what I will do, I will write system.out.println, right? What I will do here, here number is positive and here I will give, please give a positive number, because here I am calculating the positive number only, right? Or I can give number is negative, something like that. Number is negative. Number is positive or number is negative. So if this will satisfy, I have two choices here, right? One is a positive, one is a negative. Which one will be satisfied? Anyone will satisfy, that one will execute. If first one will satisfy, that will execute. And else is completely depend on if only. Else doesn't have any condition. You can see I did not write anything here, right? I don't have any condition right now. So that is completely depend on the if only. If true, else will automatically false. That means if I will give here suppose positive number x equal to 10, so it will display number is positive and this part will automatically false, then it will not execute, right? If I will give here like negative number, then what happen? This will not satisfy, condition will not satisfy, built in false, right? Then this else will true. So that way it does work. If work, then else will not work. If does not work, then only else will work. So that is a conditional statement. We have a if and else statement that will work accordingly. So this time what happen? X equal to minus 10, that will directly come to the else part only. So it is giving me a number is negative, not like number is positive. So this time I have a two choices only, right? Now let's, if I have a like more than two choices, like number is 0 also, number could be 0 also, right? Then what will happen? So for that I will write one more conditional statement called else if. Shall I be Jules? Else if. With the else if I will keep one condition. So we have if, else if also. Else if will take the condition. So let's say here I will pick if and I will write here else if. else if will having this else with if and space, right? So if and else if, what I will write? I will write here, suppose x double equal to 0. So this time I have three conditions, either positive, negative or 0. So what I will do here? I will keep number is 0. So that if I will put here, suppose x equal to 0. This time x equal to 0, right? What will it do? It will check. X is greater than 0? No. Condition will not satisfy. X double equal to 0? Condition will satisfy. So I have three conditions right now here. In these three of them, only one will execute. If first will satisfy, all two will automatically not satisfy. I mean false. They will return directly false. If suppose first is not satisfied, then it will come to the second one, right? Then second will check, right? Then it will execute. If second also false, that will directly come to the third one, because here we don't have any condition. So that all depend on the top two conditions. If top two is not satisfied, then only this will work. If anyone will satisfy of the top two, then else will not work. Else not have a condition, it will only execute if all of the conditions are false. If any one of them true, then it will not work. So that way it will work, conditional statement. So here we have to understand what is a conditional statement. If you have more than one choice and want to execute any one of them. So I have three choices here, either number positive, negative or 0. So which one want to execute? Any one of them, not all three of them, right? Then we have to use conditional statement. But before conditional statement, you should understand this operation of these operators, relational operators. They do relation between, right? And conditional statement always work either true or false. If it is true or false, here I can't keep any number, something like that directly. Like I can't keep directly x here. If I will keep x, it will be error, because 10 x is what? 0. What is 0? Don't know. Okay, doesn't know. If doesn't know. If does say I will keep only that true or false. Either it could come from the relational operator or it could come directly with the Boolean operator like true or false. It could be any something like that. So that's why I keep x greater than 0. That means either it should be 0, greater than 0, less than 0, something like that. Right? So that is all about conditional statement, if and else, else if, right? So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe it. And if you have any doubt, any question, please comment on that video. And definitely I will try to help you on it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.